Hi, Yesenia. So here, what you've written is great. You have so much good material, but the order of the paragraphs is not matching the thesis. And also, you don't talk about your cultural background. You don't have a body paragraph about your cultural background, which you need, since that's central to your thesis. So I would recommend that in first position, right after the introduction, so the first body paragraph be about your cultural background. Um, Hi, Yesenia. You've got a lot of great material here. I want to encourage you, however, to restructure your body paragraphs and to write one more body paragraph. You talk about your cultural background, which is central to your thesis here in this one sentence. I don't I don't see it anywhere else. So I'm suggesting that your first body paragraph be all about your cultural background. Give a specific story. You even told me, sort of started to tell me stories about how, your parents always told you and your twin do that together. Give me a specific story about that, like an actual time you remember that illustrates how interdependently you grew up. So that should be in your first body paragraph. And then we're going to sort of map your body paragraphs to your thesis. Then what comes next? I have realized my cultural background held me back in succeeding, where a society of independence was looked at as the only path. So I would expect the next body paragraph to be about how that skill set you had, that value you had, held you back. And I think you do. This first paragraph is more about the Rise Up Center and how it helped you. So that's not the right first body paragraph. Um, I think maybe this second body paragraph is about how your cultural background held you back. This too is about like how you got help from your neighbor, and that so a strategy you found to help yourself. So I think let me see if I can summarize what I'm saying. New first body paragraph about your cultural background. Next comes this paragraph, because that is how that paragraph is about how it was hard for you. And then you need to figure out, I think this, I don't know, this could be your conclusion. This would make for a great conclusion. It doesn't support your thesis, not the thesis you underline. It's not about your cultural background, nor is it about how your cultural background caused you to struggle in college. It's more about how you found a strategy for success. Actually, both your first and your third body paragraph are about that. Um, so I think either your first or your third body paragraph need to be instead of conclusion. You need a new first body paragraph. And then I'm not sure about your other body paragraph. I'll let you sort that out. I mean, they're good paragraphs. I just want them to support your thesis.